Hello all, welcome to our channel 360 Solutions. I am Anusha Venugopal. We have all been there, one critic, a comment, and suddenly it feels so personal. For instance, maybe a colleague has criticized your work, a friend has ignoring your messages, or got rejected after a job interview and thought, what did I do wrong? So, do you feel are you the one? If yes, trust me, you're not at all alone. What if I told you there is a better way to handle this? And what if we could train our minds to respond differently, calmly, confidently, and with clarity? In today's video, I will tell you how to stop taking things personally, how to manage conflicts better with Kaizen approach, which is a Japanese technique of continuous improvement to make small, lasting changes in your mindset. Whether it could be in your job, a personal life, or in a corporate world. These strategies will help you to build emotional resilience and take control of your reactions. I'm going to try and break it down in bits and pieces for easy to comprehend. Let's dive in. Why do we take things personally? Before we learn and how to stop taking things personally, let's understand why does it happens? Why do certain words, actions, situations affect us so deeply? A research says there are three reasons behind this. Our brain is weird to protect our ego. This is the reason one. Our mind sees criticism as a threat. This is a survival instinct. It wants to protect our self image. So, when someone wants to say something negative, we take it personally. We crave for social validation. This is a reason too. As human beings, we want to be liked and accepted everywhere. So, when someone rejects our idea, doesn't invite us, and left out in cold, it feels personal even when it's not. Reason 3, which is we react before thinking. Instead of pausing, we let emotions take over. A simple comment turns into a personal attack in our minds and we get defensive. Having said that, here is the good news. These are just habits like any other. We can train ourselves to respond differently. No matter what you do, someone will always be unhappy. You can't even please everyone all the time. Thereupon, now let's apply Kaizen philosophy, which means small and continuous improvements to stop taking things personally. We don't need a drastic change in a flash in the pan. But here, we will apply tiny shifts in how we respond with small techniques. Now, let's talk about conflict management. Many times we take things personally and emotionally because we have no idea how to deal and handle these conflicts well. Here is small technique. Rather we can take things personally or emotionally, use this Kaizen conflict model technique. Next time someone says something that bothers you, stop reacting immediately and follow this rule, which is 5-second rule. Pause and reframe. Ask yourself, is this really about me? So, most of the people's words or their actions are just reflection of them, not you. Maybe they had a bad day, maybe they were in a rush, or maybe they didn't even mean to how you heard about it. I'll give a small example on this. Imagine that your manager says that your report isn't good enough or isn't detailed enough. So, what do you do? Here are the two reactions that you could follow. One is instant, another is Kaizen response. I will show the difference between these two. For the instant reaction, here it could be, are you saying I'm bad at my work? Kaizen response. Okay, that's great. Please let me know what are the things to be added to my report. I would love to learn it. See how it could be, how the difference is between these two. So, if we contextualize the situation rather than taking it personally, you could learn it and improve it. Like it's a learning opportunity. Try this. Track small wins, your emotional growth general. This is a rule too. Think of your mind is like a muscle. Every time you stop yourself from being an emotionally, this means you're training yourself to be a stronger. The best way to keep track progress is to keep a maintaining small journal. At the end of the each day, write an instance where you have handled the situations calmly in lieu of reacting emotionally and personally, taking it as a personally. Whether it could be a small comment from your boss, a disagreement with your friend, or even a small online comment that you bothers. As the time went on, you will notice a huge improvement in this and you will come to know you're handling the situations very well. Try this from here on. Don't take yourself too seriously that we are not making any rockets. Have fun, enjoy your day with small changes. Last but not the least, rule 3, that is, improve 1%, the power of consistency. Kaizen teaches us that we don't need a ginormous transformation over the night. Just 1% improvement a day leads to 37 times better results in a year. So, start small, pause once today, track your progress and slowly, and you will notice that you will become a master in emotional control. Try on for the next time. Most of the people will have many detractors. End of the day, we can't control others what they say and do, but we can control how we respond. So, with this simple trick, this Kaizen philosophy, making small changes and improvements in daily life, like how we handle criticism and conflict, we build emotional resilience. So, next time, if you feel taking things personally, then take a pause, reflect, and ask yourself, is this really about me or them? So, the one moment of awareness can change everything. If you found this video helpful, please share this to your friends and connections. For more insights, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.